guys, this is Ice Pikachu 57 video. Now we're gonna see the construction night in the highway and interstate, but it closed for today. Well, look, it closed today. You can see it. Look, you can see the road closed. Look, you can see because constructions. Yeah, because that's sad. This area. Well, look, you can see over there. And look, detour 35 and Interstate 80. Look, now you need detour.
Dicen que huele bien feo por esta área del freeway. ¿Verdad que sí?
Well, that's kind of sad because.
Aquí una vez me paró el policía, ¿te acuerdas, ama?
Como que sí.
Íbamos tú y yo y me paró aquel pelón que hasta yo te digo que después como que murió ese policía en accidente.
Ah, sí.
Because
Buena gente que
Cuando murieron dos policías.
it's closed.
creo que sí. No sé, hasta lo
We are
Allá como donde está
we're
aquella.
trying to go detour because construction
Aquella
and night in the highway Interstate 3580.
Ay, que vamos a McDonald's.
I guess so. We're in Clive. We are not.
Pregúntale a Ángel si su crédito
So
es en todos los McDonald's.
we can. You guys,
Ángel,
we are not
Angelino,
because we're trying to do like a
Angelino.
video. I mean,
Angel
this is
de
like a
los
video
niños.
because a video. I
Ángel,
don't know because
¿escuchas o
this
no?
is like this is like a video because this video is like is closed because today because the road is closed of the highway because the highway in the Interstate 3580 is closed because it's the road like closed tonight because
Tiene años, ¿verdad? Esa.
well that's kind of sad because
Como nosotros.
the highway is closed the highway is closed because it's very sad because we are not because so this will be I think the highway because we are well I think well because this area was closed I think because the road is closed because it's very sad because it's not because this area well the road is closed because I can't because this road is like very so look well we're in all the way here so well this is look we're in Hickman Road so we're close there because there's constructions far away. There's constructions in the Interstate 3580 here. Well, I think this is part 1 of here because I think we're done for it. We're all done. Okay, I'll see you in part 2, guys. Bye, guys. This is Isaac Peachy 57.